Hello, welcome to my C# string handling series. In this lesson, we take a look at the contains methods in the C# string class. Hi, my name's Paul Sheriff, and I have a passion for teaching. I have been training for over 35 years. I've written 14 books, hundreds of video training courses, articles, and blog posts. I've been a speaker at major conferences and user groups. I'm a mentor for high school and college students. I've owned a software consulting business for over 30 years. You can contact me at psheriff@pdsa.com or visit my website at www.pdsa.com. For this lesson, I'm going to assume that you are familiar with C# and .NET. The objectives for this lesson are to learn the different contains methods within the string class. This includes the contains method, the ends_with method, and the starts_with method. The contains method returns true if a string contains the specified characters you're looking for. Ends_with returns true if a string ends with the specified characters you're looking for. And starts_with returns a true if a string starts with the specified character or characters you are looking for. Let's start out taking a look at the String.Contains method. We're going to take a look at the output from the code that I'm going to show you in just a second. I've created a sentence, the quick brown fox. I'm going to now call the sentence.contains and pass in an uppercase T, and it's going to look for that uppercase T within that sentence, and it does find it, so it returns a true. If I do a contains on lowercase t, it's going to return a false because there is no lowercase t within that sentence. So this is case sensitive. Now I can do a contains on a lowercase t and pass to the second parameter string comparison dot invariant culture ignore case. In that case, it will return a true. I can also search for words as opposed to just a single letter. So if I say, does that sentence contain fox? And it will come back with a true. Here's the source for that output. Line 1, I declare string sentence and set it equal to the quick brown fox. I do a console.writeLine on that. Then on line 10, I'm going to do sentence.contains that uppercase T, which we saw in the output. I'm also going to do on line 11, sentence.contains lowercase t, and remember that one came back false. And then on lines 13 and 14, I'm going to do sentence.contains lowercase t, but to that second parameter of the contains method, I'm going to pass string comparison.invariant culture ignore case. So that will then return a true as well. We can also search for any amount of characters we want, so sentence.contains fox, that does indeed return a true. Let's now take a look at using the String.StartsWith method. We're going to look at the output from the code that I'm going to show you in just a second. I created a sentence, the quick brown fox. If I ask for that sentence to tell me if it starts with an uppercase t, it'll return true. If I ask if it starts with a lowercase t, it's going to return false. If I ask if it starts with a t but using the case insensitive, then it's going to return a true as well. And again, I can also search for whole words. So does it start with the? It does. Does it start with fox? It does not. So let's take a look at the source code. On line 1, I declare my sentence and set it equal to the quick brown fox. And if we look at line 10, I'm doing a sentence.starts_with uppercase t. On line 11, I ask if that sentence starts with lowercase t. And then on lines 13 and 14 is where I ask if it starts with a lowercase t, but using the invariant culture, ignoring the case. On line 16, sentence.starts_with the, that returns a true. And on line 17, sentence.starts_with fox, that will return a false. Let's take a look at using the String.EndsWith method. Here's the output from the code I'm going to show you in just a second. I've created a sentence, the quick brown fox. I'm asking if it ends with a lowercase x, and it will return a true. I'm asking if it ends with an uppercase x, and it will return a false because it is case sensitive. I can also use ends with x, but passing as the second parameter, string comparison.invariant culture ignore case. In that case, it ignores the case of the letters, and it will return a true in this instance. I can also ask if it ends with the word the, it'll return a false. I can ask if it ends with the word fox, and it will return a true. Let's take a look at the source code here. So now I declare string sentence equals the quick brown fox. On line 10, I do sentence.ends with a lowercase x. That will return a true. I'll ask if the sentence.ends with an uppercase x. That returns a false. And then on line 14, sentence.ends with an uppercase x, but do the string comparison invariant culture ignore case, which says make everything lowercase to do the comparison or whatever, and it will return then a true. I can then ask for whole words. Does it end with the? No. Does it end with fox? Yes, so I get the true. So there we go. 3 different examples of trying to find out if one sentence or one character appears in another one and then returning a true or false. Do you know why you should subscribe to YouTube channels? You'll get notifications when new videos appear. You'll get recommendations for related channels. It helps the channel grow, which allows me to create more videos for you. It helps attract others to my channel. Your like helps others find videos that are good. So please take the time to like and subscribe to my channel, Paul D. Sheriff. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on determining if one string is contained within another in C#.